What's up, guys? So today's video is about the glasses. Yeah, I just got back from the optometrist and I got a pair of glasses. These are not to be worn all the time. I am nearsighted. This is mainly for when I'm driving. The reason I actually went to get an eye exam is because I was getting kind of like, I don't want to say dizzy spells, but occasionally, especially while driving, I was getting borderline dizzy, and it was giving me anxiety, and I wasn't focused on anything. I didn't know what was going on, so I thought maybe it's had something to my vision. So I got an eye exam a couple weeks ago, and I have astigmatism in my left eye from scar tissue. If you remember way back when, I told this story recently, but I was cleaning one of my magazine springs, or one of the magazines rather, for one of my pistols. I think it was a Glock at the time. I had a Glock 17, and when I lifted the base plate off the spring, I wasn't putting my thumb over it, and it shot up, hit me right in the eye, scratched my cornea. It's pretty messed up. It was one of the most painful injuries I've ever had. Anyway, long story short, I need some glasses. I'm trying to get used to them. It's funny because when I was at the optometrist, or ophthalmologist, I forget the difference, one of those, they had a pretty small selection of glasses, right? I didn't really care so much how they looked on me because I'm not wearing them all the time, but my wife's opinion mattered the most. She wanted me to get something a little bit more modern, so they're kind of a bigger lens. For me, I didn't want to see a whole lot of the frame on the glasses. This is totally new to me. I never had glasses before. So, of course, it's very strange, but when I put them on, like right now, just looking around, this is the first day of me wearing them, it's kind of blurry around, like when I look in the distance, I can read signs a little bit better. I can see a little more detail, but it's not like I was, things were super blurry. I can totally live without them. So it's kind of weird. I'm just trying to adjust to them. Maybe you guys can give me some tips and pointers for when you first got glasses. I guess eventually you just get used to them. But for me, it's just weird because, like, when I take them off right now, my eyes feel like they're crooked. I feel like this is how I look, but it's not, obviously. So I don't know if that is just something that is part of the process where your eyes adjust, but at the same time, if I don't wear them for hours on end and then I go into the car and I put them on for driving, isn't it going to take a long time to adjust again? Like, I don't know. It's all new to me, the whole glasses thing. I also didn't care about branding so much. This is a pair of Guess glasses. It's kind of what I like about them is that they're matte. I didn't want something that was super glossy or anything, so it's kind of a matte brown color, tortoise, somewhat, something like that. Getting yeah, just want to make a quick video. If you happen to see me in videos in the future or in person or something, I'm wearing glasses, well, yeah, getting older, things are happening, falling apart. That's what happens, right? Generally speaking, our bodies don't get better as we age. But yeah, like right now with the glasses off, my eyes are adjusting back to normal vision, how I'm used to it, and I see fine. Like, I don't feel like I have a vision problem, so to speak, but with driving, it will help see, in distance. It's just, like today, I put them on in the car, and at first I couldn't even drive. I had to wait like a few minutes before I can actually do anything because it was so distracting and so kind of blurry and distorted. You know what it felt like? Perfect example. To me, while I was moving, it felt like when you're drunk in GTA 5, and whatever character you have, you hit that bottle of wine or the whiskey bottle or whatever, and your character gets drunk and you have that kind of fuzzy movement. That's exactly how it felt. So we ended up doing some grocery shopping down by the optometrist. Ophthalmologist? I really don't know. There is a difference between an ophthalmologist and an optometrist. I don't know. You guys can explain the difference. But after I got the glasses, I was trying to use them. Then I took them off. Then I ended up wearing them at the grocery store because we had to pick up a couple groceries for the house. And as weird as it was, because I had them on for like 20 minutes or so, it started feeling a little bit more normal, so then I ended up driving home with them on. But when I took them off after I got home, I got like a gnarly headache right now. My head is just pounding. I'm sure it's all normal stuff. I just have to adjust and get used to it, but it's just weird. It's just another thing to worry about, honestly. But whatever, gotta do what you gotta do. So just a quick old video just saying, yeah, I got some glasses, so occasionally if you see me wearing them, that's why, because I need them. I know it. What's really crazy to me is that some people wear glasses these days. They don't need them. They're just clear lenses because it's a fashion thing. So if you want to be a hipster, you can wear some glasses and not actually need them. Because if you want to go for that whole look, you need the big beard, you need the glasses. But if your eyes have pretty good vision, that's when you wear the clear ones. So, not me. I'd rather not wear the glasses. To be honest, it's a massive hassle. But I suppose it's another EDC item. How about that? I do find myself doing this, making sure they're not going to fall off or anything. I mean, they adjusted them, the ears, so that they're hooked on. I mean, I don't feel like they're going to fall off easily, but just after, you know, I don't know, 20, 30 minutes, I feel like they're sliding down a little bit. I don't know, maybe my nose is sweaty or greasy, who knows. But, yeah, I'm doing the old one of those. Actually, you know what makes me feel like? Matt Foley. I know some of you guys are going to remember Matt Foley, the older people, if you're SNL fans back in the Chris Farley days. Matt Foley was the motivational speaker, one of his biggest skits that he ever did that was super popular. But yeah, now I can live in a van down by the river. So, anyway, that's all. Just a quick random video. I got glasses. It's totally weird, totally new. Yeah, what do you think? I mean, quite honestly, it doesn't matter what I put on my face. Some of you are going to say it's ugly. Some of you are going to say they look good. That's cool. All I really care about is if my wife likes them, because she's the one who has to look at me. When I'm wearing them, I don't see what they look like, you know. But, yeah, I want a kind of a bigger lens, again, so I don't see so much of the frame in my peripheral vision. These are pretty good. I can see the frame, but it's not like super, you know, slim or anything, and it's not massive either. I don't need big old goggles. So, yeah, whatever. Glasses. So yeah, if you've always worn glasses and you have some tips, you know, anything you want to tell me about that you've learned over the years, I certainly appreciate any info. But yeah, I don't like having to wear them. Even sunglasses, like I don't like wearing sunglasses that much either. I just don't like things on my face. I have so much stuff on me all the time. I'll need something on my face too, but you know, you do what you gotta do. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Take care.